Welcome to Stock Market Pulse TV. My name is Eric, and today is Tuesday, September 6th, 2016. We are just before the close, and hope everyone had a long three-day weekend. We are back to the grind, and the overall market is up today. So we're looking at just a small, 0.25%, but the market continues to stay in this tight range. And as long as this happens, I'm starting to get a little bit more bullish, and we've talked about that with members for a while. But the trade setup I want to give you guys today is in SBUX, and this is a little bit of a contrarian trade. If I zoom out a little bit, I'm on the daily chart, you can see SBUX has just been in this huge range from about the low 60s, we'll call it 61, with the low in the low 50s. So more recently, it's been between 61 and 54. So we're seeing these big, huge swings. And the only indicator I have on my chart right now is the price channel. This is a 20-day price channel. And all this means is that the top line here is sort of the 20-day high. And you can see as it continues to rise, it moves up. And then as it consolidates, the 20-day high sort of flat lines and then comes down. And we also have the 20-day low. So you can see SBUX had a nice little run all the way from the bottom of the range around 53.5 up to about 58, 59, and they kind of pulled back in. We've been consolidating here and had a nice little surge, and we're back into a consolidation mode. So what I'm looking for is a move back up here as the market continues to firm up, if you want to call it that. I think SBUX has a pretty good chance of retesting these highs and maybe even up to the 59 level. And there's a couple things that we can look at here. So first, this recent move up, if we take this sort of impulse leg where we broke out of the consolidation range, we're right at the 618 line, and this is acting as support for now, and that coincides with this previous resistance of about, we'll call it $56. So we consolidated here, we finally broke out, and then we pulled back to the breakout area, and we're looking for a move to the upside. And what I'm looking for an entry is if I'm going to drill down to a 4-hour chart. At this point, I'm going to remove my lines because they get kind of messy, and I already know that I'm at my key level. And I'm using the DMI stochastic reversal alerts, DMI reversal alerts. And basically, this is a fast moving indicator telling me that momentum is shifting. So when a stock is pulling back, now this is, we're looking for a bullish setup. There's little buy and sell signals, sell signals. But now that we're at kind of a key level, I'm looking for the next 4-hour buy signal, and we actually got one here, and you could have gotten in this one, but I kind of wanted to wait and see. We had the jobs report and all that stuff going on. So now that we're quote unquote in the clear, I'm looking for the next buy signal here. And if you don't use this indicator, you can use moving average crossovers on a smaller time frame or any kind of hourly chart. I like the 4-hour chart myself. But again, I'm looking for SBUX to go from 56 back up to about 59 and maybe more. If you're looking to play options, we do have 10 days left in September, but a more conservative play would be looking at the October 55 call, which is going for about $1.95, or I'm sorry, $1.93. And again, you got to wait for the signal. And that's what I got for you. I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you at the next update.